What's up, guys? I don't know about where y'all are at, but it's hotter than a tin full sweater down here in North Carolina today. We're baling some second cut orchard and some second cut fescue orchard mix here at our home farm. We're just running one big square baler today because we don't have a whole lot of hay we got to get up. It's going to end up being probably 80 or so big square bales. So we're just running the one baler. Preston's running it. Jackson's raking. I am getting hay up out of the field. Eric just pulled in with a truck and trailer, so I'm gonna load him. He's gonna be hauling hay back to the barn and unloading it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not too heartbroken about not raking today because the AC in this tractor works a lot better than the AC in the tractor that's hooked to the rake right now. So I think I'll just keep this tractor for this afternoon because I think it's 93 or 94 degrees out right now, so it's pretty hot. I'm gonna show you a few little videos of the baler running, us getting hay up, show you the rake running, and a little bit about the big square bales that we make. They're a little different than regular big square bales, but you'll see here in a few minutes. Jackson's raking today. It's usually my job, but I either got demoted or got the day off. I'm not really sure. But we run a Krone double rotary. That rake I think covers 28 feet at a time. Started baling this field, so there's not a lot of hay ready yet to get up, but it seems like getting hay up always takes longer than anything, so I like to get a head start. So we run a Krone 870 multi-pack baler. It's a high density baler. The multi-pack means that this baler has the option to where it'll tie 7 individually tied sections inside of the big square bale. You can also just make regular big square bales with it, but any of our horse hay that we know is going to horse customers, we put in the multi-pack bales. That way, if you have a customer that maybe doesn't have a tractor at home, or their hay goes in a weird spot where you can't get a piece of equipment into, we can load them here at the farm with a tractor, just like you would a regular big square bale. And then when they get it home, they can cut, there's 3 strings that hold the whole bale together. They can cut those 3 strings and it'll open the bale up where they can move the sections by hand. So that's pretty handy. We've got 2 of those balers. They both make the multi-pack bales. It's taking him a while to actually make a bale. It's hay's thin. So I jumped out real quick. I'm gonna show you guys what I was talking about with the multi-pack bales. So it's about the same size as a regular big square bale. These are 2 by 3 by 8s, or you know, however long you want to make them. Where like a regular big square baler would be a 3 by 3 or a 3 by 4. These are a touch smaller, but so it's got 3 tight strings on it right here, one in the middle and one on the other side to hold the whole bale together. And then the red strings right here are the section strings. So like that right there is a section, that's a section, that's a section, that's a section, and so on. There's 7 of those sections inside of the big square bale, and that just makes it to where when one of our customers gets it home, if they don't have a tractor or a skid steer or whatever to unload with, they can cut the tight strings, it'll open the bale up, and then they can move the sections by hand, whether they keep their hay in a horse stall or a feed room or anything like that. They can just move those sections in there wherever they need them to go.